Question number 4. Perimeter and area. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter is 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if the max 2 rounds of the fence. Also find the cost of the rope if the cost of rupees 4 per meter. Find the purchase if the max 2 round of the fence. Also find the cost of the rope. Solution. Solution. Diameter is 21 meter. Circular garden diameter is equal to 21 meter. Therefore radius is equal to 21 by 2 meter. The garden is circular garden, diameter is 21 meter. Find the length of the rope. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 21 by 2. 2 to cancel out and 7 3 are 21. Overall 66. Radius meter and circumference is meter and meter. 66 meter. Circumference of the circle is equal to 66 meter. First complete round is equal to 66 meter. Then purchase if the max 2 round, the length of the rope. Therefore, length of the rope complete 2 round is equal to 66 into 2 meter is equal to 132 meter. Answer. And cost of rope is 1 meter is equal to 4 rupees per meter. Since cost of the rope in 1 meter is equal to cost of the rope of 1 meter. Cost of the rope of the 1 meter is equal to rupees 4. Therefore, cost of the rope of 132 meter. 132 meter is equal to 4 into rupees 4 into 132 is equal to rupees of 528 rupees. Answered. Question number 5. Next question. Question number 5. From a circular sheet of a radius is 4 cm, a circle of a radius is 3 cm removed. Find the area of a remaining sheet. Question number 5. Question number 5. From a circular sheet. A circle of radius 3 cm. Center from a radius 3 cm You see the radius is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Removed. Find the area of the remaining seat. Find the area of remaining seat. Find the area of remaining sheet. Find the area of remaining seat. This is the remaining sheet. Find the area of remaining sheet. This radius of greater circle, yeah, radius of outer circle. Radius of solution. Radius of outer circle is equal to R1 R1 is equal to 4 centimeter. Radius of inner circle R2 is equal to 3 centimeter. Area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet. Remaining sheet is equal to area of the outer circle, area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle or greater circle or smaller circle. Therefore, pi r1 square minus of pi r2 square is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. Pi is equal to 3.14 is equal to 3.14 into r1 4 का square minus 22 by 3.14. Pi is equal to 3.14 into 3 का square 16 minus 3 का square 9 minus of 9 is equal to unit is centimeter. This area is centimeter square and centimeter square. 3.14 into 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 centimeter square. The remaining series 21.98 centimeter square. You will get the answer. 21.98 centimeter square. Exercise 9.2 perimeter and area. Question number 6. Simon wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table. Cover its diameter is 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find the cost of 1 meter of the lace. Cost of it is 50 rupees. Taken pi is equal to 3.14. Cover diameter is 1.5. Solution. Solution. Diameter of a circular table. Diameter of the circular table is equal to 1.5 meter. Then radius of the circular table is equal to 1.5 by 2 meter. Also find the cost of the length of the lace of required. Length of the lace. Length of the lace. Length of the lace required is equal to length of the lace required is equal to circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle. Length of the lace is equal to circumference of the circle. Is equal to circumference of the circle या फिर circumference of the circular table. Circular table is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 into pi equal to 3.14 to radius 1.5 by 2. Radius is 1.5 by 2. 2 to cancel out and unit is equal to meter. Meter is equal to 4.71. 1.5 into 3.14. This is the 4.71 meter. Length of the lace. Length of the lace required. And also find the cost of each 1 meter of lace. Since cost of 1 meter of lace is equal to rupees of 50. Therefore, cost of 4.71. Cost of 4.71 meter of lace is equal to rupees 15 into 4.71 is equal to rupees of 70.65. Cost of 4.71 meter of lace is equal to 70.65 meter. You get the answer. Next question, question number 6. Question number 7. Okay.